Kani kedi kedu darshan Meghalaya bat ngi pediang sngobhai pi baro shakthup khubor minta ka step. Shwa ban phaish ki khubor ki babnia ngi pet shwa yakimat bakongsan. Bu mau nongrem menteri rangba na benta ka project basis pa sa pokulur tengka ban shna penhe ya ka surok bailoi mau perwat. Kiu ki baklat haka including Hatarapit Hotel, Birbhum District of West Bengal, Chaka Prangut, Sanmut Kidei Nongshong Shnong ka Jilla Meghalaya. Kintu ka Federation of Shillong Hotels when pinstep ka Jingpenhe yak surok Shillong Airport. Betha Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Sarkar Pedeng ban penjana ya ka Jingpen Trekam ya ka National Testing Agency. Bat Kirshan Utram ban penbena ya ka Strait of Hormuz kum ka Jaka ke US ban yo ya lat lut ka lit kawan ku jahat kayu. Minta ngi nyepet iki khubor na keleng ka jila. Menteri Rangbak ka jila Konrad K Sangma minhinin kasngi ulabu ya mau nong remba shispa sa poklur tengka na ka benta banchna penhe ya ka surok weiloi mau kerwat rangthong ka bajrong kumba sa kilometer ka badon chapo west southwest Khasi Hills district Kanang ban penkelai ya ka single lane sya ka intermediate lane. Ya kani ka project la penlut hi da ka jila ka thong jong kani ka project ka day ban kampen bha ya ka let ka wan bat ban kirshan ya ka jingkiu ha ki thain ka ba syakandong. Menteri Rangba ula ongru baka jingpen bha ka surok kan penbiang ya ka jingpoi ki jing ai jing sumar ka puli puthi bat ka yau ka hat da ka ba ongru ba on omdon ka district ka ban syai shadin ha ki kampen roy. Hakani kasngi lawan bansak hilang ya kani ka jingple ya mau nong rem da usembut Menteri Rangba ka jila ba Preston Tinsong, Menteri Ketenat Tourism u Timothy Di Shira, u MLA ka Maukerwat, u ba Renington L Tongkar, u MLA ka Ranikor, u ba Pius Marweng, u MLA ka Mau Sinram, u ba Olan Sing Sun, u MLA ka Umsning, u ba Celestine Lingdo, u Chief Secretary ka jila u Shakil Ahmed bat kiwe de.
It's not easy for us as a government to sanction these kind of projects because they are very large. 140 crores from state's own money is not as simple as a small project. 140 crores coming in from the state's budget reflects the importance, reflects the commitment that this government has towards the people of Southwest Khasi Hills. The people of Southwest Khasi Hills will always be in our hearts. We will always prioritize projects in this area. We will do our best to ensure that the attention that you deserve, you get that attention. And efforts of our NDA government to ensure that no area, no district is left behind. But our government has ensured that for us, our vision should start with those remote districts.
Ka jingdon jong ki balaklat na ka jingplu ding ha ka hotel Hatarapit ha Birbhum district jong ka West Bengal ka lakiu sya prangut kintup ya sangut kinong shong shnong na Meghalaya ki bana dalu chai pani ha West Garo Hills ki belait kum ki pilgrim sya Tarapit. Menteri Rangba ka jilla Konrad Sangma ulapen pawe ka jing sngosi halor kani ka jingja bat ulapen bena ya ka jing rap pisa ni ex gracia ka baar laktingka syakiba hayeng jong ki sangut ki balaklat. Kinriu ngut ki weipat ki bana Meghalaya ki lalait im hakani ki jingja. Ka Sarkar jilla kadang ye trailang bat ki bor Sarkar jong ka West Bengal ban pinbiang ye ka jingarap bat ban pinsuk ye ka jingwan ra ye ka met ki balaklat sya Meghalaya. UMLA ke BJP, ULHEG ulakan turu yau Menteri Rang ba ka West Bengal ban pha ya ka kenhon wa jingtep ban tokit benyak ya ka daw jong ka jing pluding.
I heartfelt condolence to all the bereaved family, and we pray also for all those souls, all 8 of them, and particularly 5 of them from Meghalaya. We pray to God for their rest in eternal peace. I appeal to Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal to send finding teams to inquire about the entire incident happened, and it have also lost the 8 life of, and 5 of them are from Meghalaya state. Since we have already informed me, and definitely we're going to call the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Subhendu, to inquire about this incident.
Ka Federation of Shillong Hotels kalakin tu ya ka Sarkar Meghalaya ban pinstat ya ka jing penhe ya ka Shillong Airport bat ban sedang biang ya ki lingsun ki balasange Shakinong ba kentup ya ka Silchar, Agartala, Dimapur, Dibrugarh bat Guwahati. Presiden ke Federation Uparambir Singh ulaong baka jing pen bah ya ka jing penya so ling baka sun kan kentiu ya ka kam jungok kai perthai bat kan pen mentoy ru ya ki nonya taksi ha ka than. Ulakan tulu banwan rabiang ya ki lingsun ha ka por badang ya ka jing pen he ya ka Umroy Airport. Lakmi lenti baka ni ka jing pen he ka bala ban shimpor kum bakhatsan benai bad hadien bala dep pen he ki lingsun ki bakam he ru ken la ban pendon kam ya ka ni ka kat lingsun.
This airport, I feel, is the most important thing for the tourist footfalls here. It addresses a lot of problems. People get direct connectivity to arrive at Shillong itself and not at Guwahati. It at the same time addresses the problem of the local tourist taxi operators who have been suffering because a lot of vehicles are coming in from Guwahati. And the main reason is because the people are landing in Guwahati. Once the airport is functional fully, you'll at least have about 50 to 60% of the footfalls directly coming into Shillong. Why I'm saying 50 to 60% is because you will have some travelers who come with a circuit, a northeast circuit. So they will land in Guwahati. They'll probably travel to Kaziranga, they will travel to Arunachal, and then probably come to Meghalaya, or vice versa. So that 40 to 50% will be ruled out. But at least 50 to 60% of the business will come directly to the tourist taxi operators in Shillong. So it is very pertinent that we start this airport as soon as possible. It has been delayed, and I hope that the deadline of 2028 is met and this airport is functional.
Ka Meghalaya People's United Front MPUF East Jantia Hills hapok ka jingelam u President uba Kershan Bla kalalej bu ya ka dorkha sa khmat u Deputy Commissioner Manish Kumar bandawa ban penbhaya ka surok NH Nriu haringkat bat ki jingker na rut surok ban penyeng ki jingtho ban kedawi ka jinglong ka surok ni warning signs. Ka MPUF ka ong baki jingtray bempat la ban pendep ki tliu haki surok bat ki surok basniu ki penbor ya ki kalirit banyaj na ki jaka bomday banyaj ni wrong side. Kaseng kala ay por shibna ya ki bor Senshar district ban le AA halor kani takaba maham ba on shim ya ka sinjam bating e lada kemla ban sutnyo ya ka jingdawa kaseng.
Tinggi maseng yo ka komplain ki nabar kam tam banyak kali. Iwan ban komplain kemat disi ban bu ira jingtok ba bai merendam. Dan naliang disi ra susuk bau disi u ai ngi suran bu kular ngi baung kane ke isu bang isim gum baseng long ga bajengun sana mata ki drabar mata ka ina pajba kam tam galik gawan ngi pajba. Tinggi maseng ngi penpau ba kane surok la slem ba ngi iba naliang ki beri pej nam ta surok ki la pensina. Ndai ki lor kita surok ki ti kendau yo ndai kimpa pasnara namar ki kali ki dawa yat nang ne balik security ki saja ban cim de karong saj ta covid kantam ki kalirit namar hakali ki wan ki wit ki kalirit bro tingi ku masang i dawa kantam UDC ban cim kia halor ka jing bu jing tho jing ta sngi namar cim kia kan surok kantam nado dengan national highway ngi i ba surok la sni kantam tain la rambai ro kantam to jing kia la sni ba tani UDC la kular ngi kaseng ban cim kia perslim chu ban cim kia ban maramot kantam i surok nalian ngi kaseng ngi la bu por cibna bakin cim kia halor kan jing dawa jongi naliang department kala simkia ban simkia halor kan jing dawa jangi dagim simkia tangi kuma sangin chong perkat daga weng ngin kalang bag strawberry ngin kalang sim daga weng senjampat na mata kamtang ba bagamit jong pai balang baro be.
Daki spangut ki samla ki wan ban shimbenta ka phase 2 jong ka recruitment drive ka bala penlong da ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society MSSDS hakyang nangba Government College Juwai. Kathong jong kani program ka day ban pinmi yaki lat kilinti ban yo kam hapo ba Shabar Jillaru. Skills Development Officer Ulambor Mi Suchen ulaong bakani ka sinjam ka longkum ka second pathway na kabenta ki nong watkam lingba ki jing pensngoto ki interview bat ki jing ai jing hikay ban pentebit. Ulaong bakum kani ka ju ka recruitment drive on pinlong hakibabun ki block Jongka West Giant Hills Ru.
Hari ni last drive MG agency ko ada chim ko katukan agency mo ka pilot nang mereka bujing sedang bujing percang. The MG ki national placement ko place for India mo de kata tok no win agency to Satya kata de sim on job training chwa ki chpo Bangalore si wi thau chaba India mo chaba ka state jong ni de the join ki kan ni the boni kon kon the district jong i kam jot is jentian ro district of Meghalaya the lagi the yusuk mo the share ki information the yo the kata wan nak emon nang percangi sekubin bentan boleh outside India kata kamu timo em procedure ko strong tapi selain buat em yo ikat terang em yu dang dang penting kat tukan ni pendek passport dong ki orientation dong ki plus sekeniga ke health check up em yu check pen juai mo mencim verify kat ulah cek state ko the verify ki company ulah abroad mo te kata kaman kat te cucu te do update imo ni ko support ko yigi the you to this time the you initiative for best kam tami la control kamu tip kamu cuai kena control long tu lagi kamu ni drive ke bagi Delhi tu lagi nearest to Assam dia kawan kat ni dewan hayung tidak hayung pasti dah
Minta ngenya pai shiki KHUBOR na kelengkari. Menteri Ketanat Puli Puthi Jongka Sarkar Pedeng Upralhat Joshi ulaptha yaka National Testing Agency NTA ban penjana yaka jing pentrekam jongka bat ban perking yaki kendon jongki exam bat ban penkelat thama yaka rukom trekam kentup yaki kamera bala bu kerpang ban sumar yaki kot exam ki air gap systems bat ka rukom bu yaki tier electronics. Labatharu baka NTA kan hab ban penlong yaka audit ya baro ki rukom penlong exam bat ban IT yaka kaipot halor kesin jam bala shim ban penjana ya ka jing ai jing shakri. Ki he officer kila ong bapalat san pongut ki nong tre kila sha weng nakakam katba lawan ra ya ki rew shampang haka cyber security, psychometrics bat ka jing penkre ya ki jing keli. Ki ars pa shipongwat kinong penne ya ka sup kasan ni peacekeepers na na India kentup ya henriungwat ki kentay ban nyongwat ki staff officers ki balayo ya ka UN Medal for Exceptional Service with the UN Mission in South Sudan UNMISS Hajuba. Commission kalayaro ya ka jing IT lot ka jing shlur ha ka ban shakri habaja kino ki jingja bakta ya ka jing im ki brio ha ka negari. Ka India ka longkari ka baar haka jingpan poi bon tam yaki uniform UN peacekeeping personnel komba palat 1,000 ars pangut ki shipai bat ki pulit na India ki badon haka mission baper jongka United Nations. Mintangin niya pai shiki KHUBOR na keleng kapertay. President ka America Donald Trump ulaong ba uminjur ya ka jingbon man pinlong ya ka Strait of Hormuz kum ka jaka jong ka US nakabakam ba kumbalong mentaru ka don hapo ka jingpenya jong ka America ka bakentup kum kilinti durya bakong san jong ka. Trump ulamaham ru persya ya ka oman ban nem penthut halor ki mat jong ka ni ka duryaw bat ula berngam ru ban ompa daki Shipai lada ka Muscat ka Don Benta ban Lulia haka jingekran bat ka Iran. Ula ongru ba kerki ban poi syaka jing sngotu jingmut bat ka Tehran wat lada ka jingkran sngotu bala bupon repos ngi kala jan poi syaka bakut.
I mean, we control it. We control it with the blockade. We have a blockade. We control it with the blockade. And I like the idea of declaring it a territory.
Why do you do that?
We have total control over the strait. Now, they can be a nuisance. They can put a mine in the water, and people don't like having mines hit their billion-dollar ships, you know, etc. But the blockade has been very effective. And, you know, we're taking out, now maybe that will stop, or maybe it'll open up even further, but we're taking out millions of barrels of oil a week. If you look at the kind of numbers that we're doing, the strait is open, and the oil prices are coming down, and they will continue to come down unless we decide to do something far more drastic than we're doing. Iran is in big trouble. They have 300% inflation. The country is a mess, and the military is totally defeated.
Ujumai uba sun point kendai magnitude ulaknyu haka Tine Flores jongkari Indonesia haka jingjiliu kaba kumba 10 kilometer syapok kendo. Kani kala jatang hadian katu kani sengi ba ujumai uba kelain bah uba 9.9 magnitude ula syok yaki benta mi ngi jongka Indonesia. Kan National Disaster Management Agency kala pentip ba ka jingdon jongki bala klat na ki jingjak nyu ujumai ki bala jadang shen kala kiu syasan pesangut kat ba da ki sepangut ki weipat kila mensau. Kikin huan banyarap yaki ba mensau ki ai ka jing sumar kat bala nakaliang ki bor sinchar ki lapen kre yaki kali ki ling sun bat ki ling bansa me ki jingdon kam jingarap bat ban pen kin ria ki breu syaki jaka basngan. Mentang ini pais ki KHUBOR lekai. Kabukari Memorial Basketball Tournament kapahinyaw kalakut minhanin kasngi ha Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Tura hakaba ka Don Bosco Basketball Academy kala job hakilay nakisautili ki final. Ka Sherwood School kala rae ka nam ladu haka under 14 girls katba ka Don Bosco Basketball Academy kala job hakikirdan under 14 boys above 14 girls but above 14 boys. La penlong ya kani lempung da ka Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Tura haka jinga trailang bat ka District Basketball Association ban kin mau buram ya ulid father Anthony Bukari SDB ubalong unong seng jong ka Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Tura.
I stand here to welcome you all to the Bosco School Tura today. Today we have grand finale of the 7th Bucheri Memorial Basketball Tournament 2026. I would like to warmly welcome all of you, my dear friends, to witness this grand finale. I, on behalf of the management, would like to thank all the participating teams who came forward to participate in this tournament and who played beautiful matches during the days of tournament. I thank the principals and all other team managers, coaches and teachers in charges of different institutions and schools who accompanied the players to play in this tournament.
Kaspandan District Level Senior Men's Football Tournament kelas dang ha Don Bosco High Secondary School Tura hakaba UDIG Sector Headquarter Tura ulalit Mohan Sharma ulalong kubukongsan. Lepenlong ya kani kelempung daka 22nd Battalion BSF hapok Kaspandan program jongka Sports Authority of India bat katong jongka kalong ban kentiu ya kasab ilekai football ke jinglong renti bat kemensim jinga trailang hapdeng kisamla jongka Meghalaya. Haka jinga lekai ka baningkong kasim sangre United FC kala job ya ka ukrong uktong FC dalai laway. Timin tapat gini pej ke jinglong jingman ke suin beneng hakal leng ka benta jong ke jela. Hatura ka jingshit jingkriat ka suin beneng ka bakeu ka long arpu kandai degree Celsius bat ka bahar ka long arpu sau degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau ka long kandai pau na ka shispa. Haba pai Shillong ba Shillong ka jingshit jingkriat ka suin beneng ka bakeu ka long arpu lai degree Celsius bat ka bahar ka long hat kandai degree Celsius bat ka jing sngam ka hau ka long kandai pu ar na ka shispa ka jing hap slap ka long RMM. Kat baha juwai ka jingshit jingkriat ka suin beneng ka bakeu ka long arpu lai degree Celsius bat ka bahar ka long hat kandai degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau ka long kandai pu na ka shispa. Kajing hap slap kalong lai point line mm. Kajing batai kajing long kasuin beneng hatura Shillong bajuwai. Kasuin beneng kan dom loo bat kala bandon kajing hap slap haki babun ki jaka. Chuaban poy shi kabukut jong katup khubor ngenya pej biang sa shisien yaki mat bakongsan. Bu mau nong rim menteri rangba na binta ke projek basis pak sapo klur tengka dan chna penhe ya ke surok wailoi mau kuat. Kiu ki baklat haka jing flooding hata rapid hotel habil boom district jong West Bengal chaka prangut sanut kidei nong Shillong ka jilla Meghalaya. Hindu ka Federation of Shillong Hotels ban pinstead ka jing pinhe ya ka surok Shillong Airport. Betha umentri ka tanat puli puthi ka sarkar pedeng ban pinjanai ka jing trade kam ka National Testing Agency. Bat Kirshan Utram ban pinay ka Strait of Hormuz kum ka jaka ka US banyo la yad lud ka lek kawan ijhat kayu. Tipar lok atung ila poish ka bukut jong ka tup khubor jong i benta ka step hadu bangin de shambyang bat pi shibit janmit kublay pi baro.